Hello guys, it's early in the morning. It's about 9 a.m. and I got a call from home, so I have to run home. So I decided not to go to town. I decided to go and get the PSP vehicles down here. As you can see, I'm walking through this path, and as you can see, the rain has done wonders. You see how this road is very dirty. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned and see whatever is happening over there. And as you can see, this river, guys, hey, this river, while the rain was raining, you couldn't pass here. So that's the situation in Kenya right now. We are experiencing some floods. Yeah, and stay tuned and see whatever is going on at my home. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to this space of mine. Yeah, and today I have visited this place, my village area. Yeah, and stay tuned and see whatever is happening over here. Yeah, so as you can see, this is how kinyozis, the bamba shops, look like in the village. Yeah, as you can see, it's made of timber. Yeah, see you. So guys, as you can see here, there is this dam. It's full of water due to heavy rains that has been raining in Kenya lately. Yeah, and as you all you can see, this place is very dangerous, dangerous, because this dam is beside the road where people pass by. Yeah, so this is the situation. Yeah, and you may wonder why this dam is here. Okay, basically when the tarmac road was being constructed, this place they used to get maram from this place, but they never filled it with soil. So that's why you see this dam here. But the owner of the land takes advantage of that because, well, it's the sunny time. He will use this water to water the cats plants. Yeah, and he will make a lot of money. So hey, it's dangerous, and at the same time, the water helps the people around to do farming. So guys, continue watching the video and let me know down the comment section what you think about the situation in Kenya. Guys, hey, let me show you. This is a guava tree. The guava tree. The guava tree. You see how they have spoiled. And there is this one. This is a guava. Okay. Hey, it's also spoiled. Let me try to look for a better guava. At least this one. Let's see how it is. So this one is okay. This one is good. So this is the stem of this guava tree. So guys, the rain has been very big in Africa, and as you can see at this point, that is water. flowing from the ground. You see? All that water is flowing from the ground. Yeah. I can't step there. If I step there, I can go. Let's see. You see? You see? And I am not putting some more water. So, this is the situation. Yeah. Yeah, it's very dangerous. You can even sink. Hey, so guys, this is the situation here. See over there? That's water. Water. So guys, this is the beans. This is how beans are. Can you see? It has these purple flowers. So it's ready to produce beans. You see, even this one has already produced. Yeah. Even this, after this flower drops, it will be like this. Yeah. That's how it is, the beans. You see? The type of beans we have in Africa. This is how the beans plant look like. Yeah. And the purple flower. Wow. Africa's wonders. Guys, this is a seasonal river, and I'm about to show you how this place looks like. So this is where we used to come and play with water when we were kids. Guys, this is the place. You see? And there is a lot of sand, by the way. All this is a sand. Building sand. Yeah. All over. All these. You see? This is sand. The building sand. Building sand. You see? So if you come here with a spade, you do the harvesting. You do the harvesting. Yeah. This one. So this is where we used to come and pray in this stone. Yeah, and that's the cat plantation, all that. Yeah. And someone was harvesting the sand here. So it's ready to be sold. Yeah, so keep watching the video. Yeah. And this is we call it kagoto, the balance. Oh, this is another heap of sand. So the person is ready to sell it. Yeah. And that's the seasonal heap over there. Yeah. You see another heap there of sand. That's about one lorry. Yeah. So that's how the village life is. Yeah. So you see how the water had spoiled this place. See. You see. This is the road. The road is not passable. But I'm breaking the protocols. I'll be passing here. So that's how this place looked like. And guys, you see this tree? This tree is used, but there is those birds which like staying this such of trees because they are thorny. So for the protection, so no predators can go up and harm them. Yeah.